In this recipe, we're going to be making a super delicious fudge recipe. First, we have 4 cups of chocolate. I have a mixture of chocolate chips and crushed chocolate bark, whatever you guys want to use, just 4 cups of chocolate. I have added in 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. And you are going to stir this over low heat. Low heat is important that you do not burn it. I added in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract just to give it a little bit more flavor. Remember, you guys don't want to have this over medium, definitely not high heat. You want it to be low. It will take time to melt, and you're going to have to do a lot of stirring, but it will be worth it. Just be patient and stir it constantly. Do not let it sit for too long or the chocolate will burn. Here it is starting to melt. This is what it should look like. We are almost done. You just want all the clumps to be melted and smooth consistency like we have here. And next is optional. You don't have to, but I am adding in about 1 cup of chopped pecans. Again, this is optional, or if you want to add in something else instead of the pecans, you can, like peppermint bark or whatever you want to add to make it different. Maybe sprinkles too would work great. Here I'm just stirring this in my chocolate, making sure that it is in there well. Next, we have a baking dish that I have cut parchment paper to fit it. And I'm just going to put some butter on the bottom so that this does not stick. And then you are going to grab a spatula and pour this chocolate into your pan. This needs to set for 3 hours, or you can chill it in the fridge for about 2 hours and then it will be ready to cut. But you definitely don't want to cut it before that time or it will be a mess and it will just not be hard enough. So there, I chilled it for 2 hours in my fridge and here is the result. Here's what it should look like. Next, we're going to dice it into cubes. You can make your cubes however big or small you want them. I made mine a little bigger, but you can go smaller, just whatever size you want them to be. And I'm just trying not to break my chocolate because my knife was kind of sticking, but that's okay. It still worked out great. You're just going to cut it like here you have, and there is the end result. Again, this turned out so good. The perfect fudge recipe. If you guys try this, be sure to let us know in the comments, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. And as always, follow us for more recipes.